You're gonna say thank you to me, or at least yourself, because of watching this video till the end if you're under 20. Hello, this is Kelly Poison Podcast, and today I'm gonna talk about memory. Memory is all you need. Memory is everything. You have to use your memory, you have to use your brain, and you have to get used to it. You have to get just comfortable with being uncomfortable to use your memory. Why I'm telling these things like that serious? Because we all addicted to our phone. I mean, all of the teenagers, all of the even like very old men is nowadays are just addicted to the phone. But what is the problem here? The worst problem is with our memory. You know, when we use social media scrolling on TikTok mindlessly, we just don't use our brain. You know, when you want to study something or reading just a simple book, you have to focus on it, and after something like 1 hour you're just exhausted, you're tired. But you can mindlessly scroll TikTok, Instagram or any app and nothing just happened to you. You can do the things for whole night because you don't actually use your brain. And after 1, 2, I want to say years, but the real thing happened in months. After 1 or 2 years, your brain just fucked up. It doesn't work anymore. Imagine you want to learn a new instrument. You know, the most important thing that you need, it's not your hand, even it's not your ears, it's your memory. So what you can do now, just go and use your memory. I don't know how you want to use it. You are in university, at school, just memorize anything. It's like a train, memory, a phrase, a poet, a song. Just be comfortable with memorizing things. You know, it's not some garage and after learning lots of things it's gonna get full. No, don't think like that. It's like a muscle. You have to train it. But when you just don't train, after a while, you just gonna be a stupid man. I mean, literally, you can learn any skills, any new skills. You know the reason why David Goggins said, "This is too much easy to be the best, my friend," nowadays? It was because all the brain are fucked up. They are already gone. No one just can't use, you know, I live in society that no one can finish just a book. I mean short one, like 100 pages, even stories. You know, none of my friends can read a whole story till the end. They are just get bored after a while. So don't be that man. If you are young, you have this opportunity to change these things in your brain. And believe me, it's not about having like a shitty life and just training all the day, memorize everything. After a while, you just, you know, getting comfortable with being uncomfortable, and it's somehow make a joy from you. You can proud of something, you know. Imagine you want to learn another language and you will learn it 10 times faster than the other people, not because of your IQ or the other genetic thing that you're born with it, just because of the way of your living. So just don't scroll mindlessly and try to memorize anything. Try to read books and memorize all the story about it. You know, reading stories is good, you know, actually long stories. People ask me, Priya, why is that even reading fancy stories are important? Because the memory, you have to memorize all those background things from the story. For having some dopamine, your brain have to memorize lots of story things to just give it to you. So read books, even fancy one. And you know, when your memories came to help for you, we all getting used to. In my country, we know lots of things about mathematics. You know, Iran is just a country of mathematics. We all know about mathematics. But the problem with math is you know how to replace things, but you don't need to memorize lots of things. You know, with a few algorithms, you can solve lots of problems. But you have to work on that muscle too. You know, math is good, but memory is something in another level. So, just make your mind work healthy in good way. Thank you for watching here. Hope it was useful for you, and bye.